Here we have the top 11 hair care tips for protective styles. Before we embark on this styling journey, let's understand the magic of protective styles. These creations are a haven for your hair because they minimize constant manipulation and safeguard it from weather and friction. Now, you may have heard that protective styles can work wonders for hair growth, but let's clarify. They don't magically make your hair grow faster. What they do is support length retention by minimizing breakage. By keeping your hair tucked away and reducing manipulation, protective styles create the illusion of accelerated growth. However, let's tread cautiously. Not all protective styles are created equal. We all know this. When done right, they can be your hair's best friend, but a misstep can lead to trouble and missing edges. Now, let's delve into the heart of the matter. We're here to guide you through the do's and don'ts, ensuring your hair remains vibrant and strong. Tip number 1, we're going to prep your hair. Before you dive into the world of protective styles, ensure your hair is prepped and ready. Remember, most protective styles mean less frequent washes, so start with a clean slate. Wash your hair and scalp thoroughly and indulge your hair in a deep conditioning session. Don't forget to keep your hair moisturized with the leave-in. Tip number 2, embrace comfort, not tightness. Gone are the days of enduring pain for beauty's sake. Well, there's probably some things we still do. But anyway, say no to overly tight styles that pull and strain your scalp. If a style feels uncomfortable or overly restrictive, stop immediately. Your hair's well-being should never be compromised for a chic look. Remember, protective styles should feel like a comforting embrace, not a vice grip. Tip 3, in the world of protective styles, weight matters. Just as tightness can cause strain, heavy styles can burden your hair and lead to unnecessary tension and breakage. If a style feels excessively heavy or tugging at your strands, it's time to bid it farewell. Your hair deserves to be carried gracefully, not weighed down. Tip number 4, beware of heat damage. For styles that involve leave-out, like weaves and extensions, heat can become a sneaky enemy. Overusing heat on your leave-out can lead to damage and diminish your curl pattern. Here's a rule of thumb. Limit heat usage to once a week if you can. If a style requires more heat than that, it's best to reconsider. Heat damage and breakage are not welcome guests on this journey. Now, let's talk edges. Those delicate strands that frame your face, avoid manipulating them daily. Edges are precious, and excessive styling can lead to thinning, breakage, or not being able to grow back. Keep your edges safe and sound, protecting them like the crown jewels. Tip number 6, nourish your scalp. Your scalp is the foundation of flourishing hair, even during protective styling. Contrary to popular belief, neglecting your scalp can hinder your hair's health. Ensure your scalp stays clean and moisturized. A well-nourished scalp sets the stage for luscious growth and radiant hair. Tip number 7, quench the thirst for moisture. Even under protective styles, your hair deserves a dose of hydration. Incorporate a spray leave-in a few times a week. A well-moisturized mane thrives, making the takedown process easier. Tip number 8, sleep soundly with Satin. Ensure your dreams are as sweet as your hair with Satin protection. Invest in a satin bonnet, scarf, scrunchie, or pillowcase. These gems guard your hair against friction and dryness, preserving your style's longevity and vitality. Tip 9, timing matters. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to protective styles. Avoid the pitfall of leaving your style in for too long. Each style and individual has a unique time limit. Keep an eye out for tangling, dryness, and growth patterns. If your hair signals take it down, or somebody else, take it down. Tip number 10, gentle takedown. Say goodbye to your protective style with care and gentleness. Whether it's weaves, box braids, or cornrows, be mindful when taking your hair down to ensure you keep the health of your hair intact. Section your hair to manageable portions, wet it with water or a detangler to make hair more pliable when taking it down. Tip 11, give it a break. Taking time between protective styles is crucial because it allows you to shower your hair with some tender love and care. It's the perfect opportunity to assess your hair's condition and address any needs it may have. Now, don't rush this process. Jumping from one protective style to another might seem exciting, but it could lead to missing out on crucial hair care steps. Constantly wearing high-tension styles without breaks can spell trouble, causing unnecessary breakage due to repeated stress on the same areas. Using these steps can assist you on your path to achieving healthy hair. Thank you so much for joining us on this hair care journey. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, stay fabulous.